Hello students, welcome back. We're going to be publishing another poem today. So yesterday we published the haiku poem, and today you're going to be publishing another poem. This poem that you're publishing is one of the ones that you chose to publish already. Okay, it's ready to publish, it's in your yellow notebook, you've pasted it in there. Okay? So the first thing that you're going to do again is start with the title, okay? When you start, this cursor is going to be here on the left. You want it to be right in the center for the title. So I'm going to go up here to where it says center, click on that, and notice now the cursor is in the middle, okay? Then again, you're going to change the font. Again, you're going to change it to 30, okay? And I'm going to start typing now. Okay, so the title of my poem is Summer is Slipping Away. So, summer is slipping away. Remember that when you are writing the title, that each letter is capitalized in your title. Okay? Then I'm going to press enter, and now I'm going to go up and I'm going to change this to 24 again, and I'm going to write the author, by Marisela Resendez. Okay? Then I'm going to start writing my poem. This time I'm going to press enter, but I'm going to press enter 2 times. 1, 2. Notice that my cursor is still in the center. Okay, my cursor is still in the center. However, for this poem, I don't want my poem to be centered. Okay, so this is where you can decide if you want your poem to be centered or if you want your poem aligned to the left. I think for this poem, I'm going to align mine to the left. Okay, so I'm going to start writing my poem. I'm going to capitalize the first letter of my sentence is about to start. Okay, that's my first line of my first stanza. Then I'm going to go to my second line. I want this to stay on this line, so notice how this sentence doesn't fit. If my sentence doesn't fit, then I'm going to decide to change this and make this a little bit smaller. See now how it fits? Perfect, okay? So my next line would be, so this is my first stanza. My first stanza only has 2 lines. I'm going to start a new stanza. So when I start a new stanza, I'm going to press enter again, okay? So notice now that I have a space here, okay? So this is now going to be my second stanza, and this is my first line. Uh-oh, my is not going to fit again. Okay, since it's not fitting again, I'm going to have to change it again. This is good. So I'm going to highlight everything, and I'm going to change the font size again. Don't worry too much about this. If your lines are not that long, you won't have to keep doing this. But because my sentences are so long, I have to keep changing it. Okay? So then I'm going to go to my next line in the same stanza. Okay? I am now finished with my second stanza, and now I'm going to start my third stanza. Okay, so I'm going to go to my third stanza, and I press enter 2 times again. Oh geez, again it's too long. So again I'm gonna have to shrink it again. Now I'm down to 12. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my next line. Okay, that's my third stanza. I have one more stanza to finish, but I'm not going to finish it because I think you kind of get the idea. So make sure that you have you enter 2 times in between your stanzas. Okay, and also decide before you start whether you want this centered or you want this aligned to the left like I did. Okay, the last thing that I'm going to do that I'm going to show you really quick is I'm going to show you I'm going to change my font. So really quickly, let's see, I think I'm going to change mine. Nope, I don't like that one. Let's see, ooh, maybe this one. And nope, too big. Let's see, how about this one? Yeah, I kind of like that one. Okay, so this is my final poem here. So go ahead and get started, and good luck.